Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube world. This is One-Eyed Tom. Okay, I'm getting ready to put these lights in. The only thing I'm going to install some of these. Two of them, three of them. I can put three of these in, but the one over the sink, I gotta leave. Oops, the one over the sink, right over there, right there, is gonna stay out because I gotta paint that yet. But I can get all these boxes in there. So inside each box is a switch, and it can go from 800 lumens to 540. So I set them all at 800 for now, because also, if you recall when I talked about these before, it's also got an adjuster for brightness on here. So as you can see, maybe, there we go. So you can set it to what you want. It's light appearances, I guess is what it's called. These right here, I've never used them. Made in Thailand. Yeah, okay, so I see it goes from 5K. All right. Now I got her out. Okay, so anyways, I got them all open. Got all these already pulled out. These are quick connects. As you can see, you just push your wires in these little holes right here. And I've already went around, and as you can see, I got them all, maybe it'll focus on it, stripped, maybe not. But I got them all stripped and hanging out. So I'm gonna set you guys down, and we're gonna see how long it takes me here to put these together. And it's got these little clips right here. And you put your Romex goes in here. And that holds the Romex in there, and then you fold your wires in there. And this little lid flips over. So I'm gonna set you all down. First I'm gonna there we go. And I'm gonna see how long it takes me to do this. It shouldn't take me too long, I don't think. So let's do this. I'm just gonna set it like that for now, because I can get those three. I'm gonna start over there where the fridge is going. So let's do this. See how this does with one, and see if I gotta adjust that other one that has the double over there. Probably can't hear me. There's one. Shove that up in the hole, like so. That just sits up in there, and that stays up. So there's that one. And that, still do the one over top of the sink and just leave it hanging like that. So get them done. Try this a little different this time. I want to try something here. Let's do that. Put that mat back in like so. Push that down in there. And I'm going to come grab you here after I get this one hooked up so you can see what. Actually, I'll do it over there. That one above on the end over there so you can see what's going on here. Now, this is going to be the tricky one because that's pretty up. There's a board up there. Oh well, let's get this one done. Should have known that was going to be an issue. Yeah, I know you can hear that TV out there probably. I need to go turn that down. Come on now, meow. There we go. Okay. Now, let's sit down here. Okay, there's that one. And this one. Actually, I'm not even going to put them in. He needs to, Pollock needs to set them. All right, I'm going to turn you over here and set it right here. Sorry if that light's brighten in your eyes. It's the last one. It is easier doing it that way, I can tell you that much. Yeah, word to the wise. put the wire in it first. When you're doing it, it makes it easier. And ladybugs. Okay, now I'll show you what these do if it'll. Okay, you see there? See how far the wire can only go in so far. And then probably should have made sure all those are on 800. I'm pretty sure they were, but I'm gonna have to take them back out anyway. Do that, flip that up there. And I did push that wire up inside here for the there we go. For the hood vent, if he ever puts one up there. So I'm gonna show you what I was talking about. See that board up in there? That board right there is right in the way. So I need to figure out, I might have to cut it out of there. And I'm hoping it doesn't do any, if it doesn't go to a major support. I don't think it does. I think it's just part of the, when they put the soffit in there, that's called soffit. This stuff here is called soffit. That right there, that's all called soffit. So, I don't know, I got some investigating to do before I do anything, but that's tomorrow. Now that I got these all in, that's a plus. So, all right, everybody. This is One Eyed Tom saying bye-bye for now, and I'm gonna be getting ready to paint here shortly. So I got it all ready. Now I can paint. It is now 6:49. So I've been going for a few hours here. But all right, everybody, have a wonderful and blessed day. It's One Eyed Tom saying bye-bye for now, and I'll get back at you here real soon. Check you later.